Welcome to Daytona International Speedway. We start off the 2022 IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship with the biggest race of the year. It's American Sports Car Racing's Super Bowl to kick off the new season. International entries are plenty in the 61 car field. The Daytona 24 Hours, the classic Rolex 24 at Daytona is back to its absolute best, and we're green and racing for 2022.
So we made it, we just got our tickets. You can hear the cars already racing behind me. One of the things that I'm mostly excited for, and I mean, we're fingers crossed it might not come to fruition, but saw a Porsche driving experience here in the parking lot. So it looked like some of the Porsches were running around. I would love the opportunity to be able to do that today. So we'll see. Bloody, is there anything that you're excited about today?
I mean, just seeing the cars driving around and hearing them backfire is more than enough for me. Anything else is a bonus, you know? So it'll be good. It'll be good.
They won't backfire like your car, though.
I would hope it would be better.
Right.
Better be shooting flames.
I mean, it's something.
Oh my god. That thing sounds insane. Wow.
Fine.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, that's really good.
That's what I thought.
That's really good.
Right.
Thank you very much.
John.
All right. What's up, John?
Not much, man. How are you?
Yeah, good, man. You gonna make me cry today?
Buckle up first.
Yes. Do it.
I mean, I don't want to make you cry. I want to make you smile.
Both. Well, if I'm crying, I'm smiling, right? All right, I got it. Don't worry. Death grip.
All right, buddy. I'm John. Again, your name is?
Vlad.
Vlad?
Vlad.
All right, Vlad.
Nice to meet you.
Carrera S, 443 horsepower.
All right. Oh, gosh. Woo! Yeah, baby.
All right.
Thank you so much.
That was beautiful. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. That was worth it. That was good.
Great.
Thank you. That was unbelievable. I cannot believe that was absolutely incredible. I don't think I've actually had that much grip in a car ever. I'm blown away. Woo! video.
That was amazing.